Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the language of the Rooted application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should tap on the My Stats icon down below and then tap on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Now as you can see, the third option is the change language option, so just simply click on it and now you are ready to select your preferred language. So just simply tap on the relevant one and then tap on the button down below. So now the language has been updated on the application. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.